This is Allie Johnson of Smart Move Real Estate in Edmond. I'm reading the Oklahoma real estate contract. I'm on page 2 of 6. Each page will have its own video. This is meant to be listened to over YouTube audio. You can also follow along on the screen. There are HD controls at the bottom. It is being recorded in HD. All right, page 2 of 6 of the residential portion of the Oklahoma real estate contract starts at the top with property address, which is the heading on every page. And we start with number 4, accessories, equipment, and systems. The following items, if existing on the property, unless otherwise excluded, shall remain with the property at no additional cost to buyer. There are 3 columns, and they are bullet points, and I will read through. Attic and ceiling fans, bathroom mirrors, other mirrors if attached, central vacuum and attachments, floor coverings if attached, keys to the property, built-in and under cabinet / counter appliances, freestanding slide-in / drop-in kitchen stove, built-in sound systems / speakers, lighting and light fixtures, fire, smoke, and security systems if owned, shelving if attached, fireplace inserts, logs, grates, doors, and screens, freestanding heating units, humidifiers if attached, water conditioning systems if owned, window treatments and coverings, interior and exterior, storm windows, screens, and storm doors, garage door openers and remote transmitting units, fences, including subsurface, electric, and components, mailboxes / flagpoles, outside cooking units if attached, propane tanks if owned, TV antennas / satellite dish systems and controls if owned, sprinkler systems and controls, swimming pool / spa equipment / accessories, attached recreational equipment, exterior landscaping and lighting, entry gate controls, water meter, sewer / trash membership if owned, all remote controls if applicable, transferable service agreements and product warranties. Subparagraph A, additional inclusions. The following items shall also remain with the property at no additional cost to buyer. There are 2 blank lines. Subparagraph B, exclusions. The following items shall not remain with the property. There's a line and a half blank. Number 5, time periods specified in the contract. Time periods for investigations, inspections, and reviews and financing supplement shall commence on blank. Time reference date. Regardless of the date, the contract is signed by buyer and seller. The day after the time reference date shall be counted as day 1. If left blank, the time reference date shall be the 3rd day after the last date of signatures of the parties. Subparagraph 6, residential property condition disclosure. No representations by seller regarding the condition of the property or environmental hazards are expressed or implied other than as specified in the Oklahoma Residential Property Condition Disclosure Statement, which is referred to as disclosure statement in the rest of the contract, or the Oklahoma Property Condition Disclaimer Statement, referred to as disclaimer statement in the rest of the contract, if applicable. A real estate licensee has no duty to seller or buyer to conduct an independent inspection of the property and has no duty to independently verify accuracy or completeness of any statement made by the seller in the disclosure statement and any amendment or the disclaimer statement. Paragraph 7, investigations, inspections, and reviews. Subparagraph A, the buyer shall have blank days, 10 days if left blank, after the time reference date to complete any investigations, inspections, and reviews. The seller shall have water, gas, and electricity turned on and serving the property for buyer's inspections, and through the date of possession or closing, whichever occurs first. If required by ordinance, seller or seller's broker, if applicable, shall deliver to the buyer, in care of buyer's broker, if applicable, within 5 days after the time reference date, any written notices affecting the property. Subparagraph B, buyer, together with persons deemed qualified by buyer and at buyer's expense, shall have the right to enter the property to conduct any and all investigations, inspections, and reviews of the property. Buyer's right to enter upon the property shall extend to Oklahoma licensed home inspectors and licensed architects for the purposes of performing a home inspection. Buyer's right to enter upon the property shall also extend to registered professional engineers, professional craftsmen, and or other individuals retained by buyer to perform a limited or specialized investigation, inspection, or review of the property pursuant to a license or registration from the appropriate state licensing board, commission, or department. Finally, the buyer's right to enter upon the property shall extend to any other person representing buyer to conduct an investigation, inspection, and or review which is lawful but otherwise unregulated or unlicensed under Oklahoma law. Buyer's investigations, inspections, and reviews may include, but not be limited to, the following. And there's a list of 13 that extends onto page 3, but I'll go ahead and read all of them here. Number 1, disclosure statement or disclaimer statement unless exempt. Number 2, flood, storm runoff water, storm sewer backup, or water history. Number 3, psychologically impacted property and Megan's Law. Number 4, hazard insurance, property insurability. Number 5, environmental risks, including but not limited to soil, air, water, hydrocarbon, chemical, carbon, asbestos, mold, radon gas, and lead-based paint. Number 6, roof, structural members, roof decking, coverings, and related components. Number 7, home inspection. Number 8, structural inspection. Number 9, fixtures, equipment, and systems inspection. All fixtures, equipment, and systems relating to plumbing, including sewer/septic system and water supply, heating, cooling, electrical, built-in appliances, swimming pool, spa, sprinkler systems, and security systems. Number 10, termites and other wood-destroying insects inspection. That's the end of page 2 of 6. Extends 3 more onto page 3 of 6. 11, use of property use restrictions, building restrictions, easements, restrictive covenants, zoning ordinances and regulation, mandatory homeowners associations, and dues. Number 12, square footage. Buyers shall not rely on any quoted square footage and shall have the right to measure the property. Number 13 is blank, and you may or may not write it in. That's the end of page 2 of 6 of the Oklahoma Residential Real Estate Contract.